Tactical backpacks have become one of the most ubiquitous pieces for adventurous people who spend their time on rough terrains and on off-road trips. It's a no-brainer that there are a ton of subcategories to cater to the needs of people who carry a lot of gear for different activities like hiking, hunting, climbing, riding, and more. While most folks look for a unit that fits their everyday needs, there is another category of people who need something tougher than hell and more versatile. Of course, we are talking about service members, law enforcement members, and military crowds. It's not compulsory for you to be on duty, fighting with troops, or as a veteran to purchase a high-quality backpack. However, knowing the purpose and strength of these bags is essential to understanding what you can expect from them. These backpacks are designed for expandability and durability, allowing you to keep your weapons or other essential gear with you. We have sifted the market and reviewed the finest black tactical military backpacks in 2023. Number 1. CV Life Tactical Military Backpack. The first backpack on our list is from CV Life, which boasts great strength and durability. It is made from 600D polyester material to withstand excessive wear and tear. The polyester material is completely water-resistant to keep your belongings dry in the rainiest seasons. The backpack has a zipper closure for convenient access to the items. This military bag has a main mesh compartment to keep your clothes and gear, a detachable bag on the front, and 2 tactical backpacks on the sides to keep the first aid kit, phone, keys, and other important accessories for a 72 hours excursion. The manufacturer has taken the extra step to keep your belongings safe by covering the zipper region with a flap to prevent water from entering the bag. The bag also features a hose hole on the top to drink fluid on the go and keep yourself hydrated without losing concentration. You will see stronger double sewing on the pressure points for added durability. The padded shoulder straps with mesh coverings are breathable, and the adjustable chest strap distributes the weight evenly for a comfortable experience. Number 2. ProCase Tactical Military Backpack. The ProCase Rugged Military Backpack is a versatile and dependable choice for a 3-day bug out. It has a large compartment of 40 liters with a zipper closure where you can keep all your gear for trekking, camping, hunting, hiking, and more. You can use this versatile backpack as a survival bag, range bag, or hunting bag, depending on your needs. High-quality material with double-stitched seams adds to its durability. The breathable mesh padded shoulder straps make it a great choice to wear for an extended period without getting sore shoulders. Moreover, the mesh back improves airflow to keep you cool on the hottest days, and the functional compression system makes it a space-saving choice. You will find 2 front pockets to keep small-sized items, 2 larger-sized compartments with zippered pockets to keep your gear and clothing, and a mesh pocket to keep bigger supplies. It also features a waist belt to fix the pack in place and keep it from sliding down during running, climbing, or riding a bike. Number 3. Army Pants Tactical Military Backpack. This popular, multi-purpose backpack is suitable for multiple outdoor adventures and missions. Even though it is made for military missions, you can use it as a general day backpack for trekking, hunting, off-road riding, or hiking. The Maillet system allows you to add Velcro or a small pouch to it for more storage space. This 3-day backpack has 4 compartments to store different items without creating a mess. You can keep a cell phone, wallet, or keys in the front compartment, put flat plates, books, or other essentials in the middle compartment, and protective clothing in the main compartment. As you need to drink a lot of water to keep yourself hydrated, the backpack features mesh side pockets to store water bottles for convenient and quick access. You will find 2 hooks on the backpack strap to attach a walkie-talkie bag to be in touch with your troop members. Additionally, the adjustable chest belt distributes the pressure on your back for a comfortable experience. The best part is that you can expand the backpack via a zipper on the side to hold more things without needing an extra bag. Number 4. Reebow Tactical Military Backpack. This black tactical military bag is ideal for extended adventures as it has 40 liters of space to carry all your essential tactical gear. It is made of heavy-duty, waterproof, 900D Oxford fabric to withstand the abuse of rigorous training and wild adventures. The Y strap on the top provides additional safety and durability. If you are from the military, you'll surely love the US flag patch on the front. Moreover, the mole system of this backpack allows you to attach additional accessories and pouches to keep your walkie-talkie, weapon, or other essential items at arm's length. It has multifunctional compartments with dual zipper closure to organize your items. You will find an interior zipper pocket and mesh pocket for added storage. The manufacturer offers a 45-day refund policy, which speaks about the quality of the bag. In case the bag doesn't meet your expectations, you can get a refund. Number 5. Reebow Gear Tactical Military Backpack. At a reasonable price, this black tactical military backpack serves a lot of purposes, from hiking and trekking to carrying gear on the battlefield. The high-density polyester lining makes this bag water-resistant to use in extreme weather conditions without getting your items wet. The double-stitch design adds to its durability, making it a long-lasting choice. This 40 liters backpack is spacious enough to keep your tools, protective clothing, and other useful gear. The number of pockets is just right, not too much that you can't find the items when needed and not too less that you have to leave some of your useful items behind. The huge size with extensive moire webbing makes it an incredible bug-out backpack. You can count on it if you are going on a mission to survive in the wild. The material and stitching scream quality. Cord pulls, sturdy zippers, double/triple stitching, and padded straps make it an ultimate choice for a 3-day assault.